Are traditional lawyers about to be replaced by a website? That's the question at the heart of the legal world's biggest modern debate. Is LegalZoom disrupting the entire legal system? For decades, getting legal help for things like starting a business, writing a will, or filing for a trademark meant navigating the costly and complex world of law firms. This created a massive justice gap, millions of people and small businesses who simply couldn't afford a lawyer for routine, but necessary, legal work. Enter LegalZoom. Launched in 2001, it pioneered the concept of online, accessible, and affordable legal document preparation. They basically automated the paperwork for common legal tasks, selling them at a fraction of a traditional lawyer's fee. And the public bought in, big time. LegalZoom now boasts millions of customers, proving there was massive unmet demand. This success is what makes the argument for disruption. LegalZoom has essentially unbundled the services lawyers offer. For routine, simple matters, their model is faster, cheaper, and available 24/7. They've forced the traditional legal industry to start thinking about things like price transparency and efficiency, which is a huge benefit to the consumer. In this sense, they are absolutely disrupting the way legal services are delivered. But here's the crucial counterpoint: LegalZoom is not a law firm. They often have disclaimers saying they don't provide legal advice. They are a platform selling documents. This distinction is what has triggered years of legal battles with bar associations across the country, who argue LegalZoom is engaged in the unauthorized practice of law. When you're dealing with a complex issue, or when a simple form doesn't quite fit your unique situation, the do-it-yourself approach can create expensive problems down the line. A form can't cross-examine a witness or advise on the nuances of a multi-state contract. However, the industry is changing. In recent years, LegalZoom has started evolving from just a document company. In places like Arizona, where state bar rules are loosening, LegalZoom has been approved to operate a law firm, allowing them to hire attorneys directly to provide limited legal advice. They're no longer just a disruptive outsider. They're moving inside the system, building a bridge between their automated services and actual attorney support. So, is LegalZoom disrupting the legal system? Yes, but not by replacing lawyers entirely. They're disrupting the economics and accessibility of the legal market. They've taken the low-hanging fruit, the simple, mass-market legal needs, and made it so affordable that traditional firms can no longer compete in that space. What they are really doing is forcing the entire legal profession to modernize and focus on the complex, high-value work that only a licensed, specialized attorney can truly handle. The future of the legal system isn't about one destroying the other. It's about a tiered structure, technology for the simple, and lawyers for the complex. And that, in itself, is a revolutionary change. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.